You've been here a while, so you know Kundalini Yoga is very little to do with the postures and much more to do with how you show up. And that's what I want to focus on, how you show up, how you use these practices to work with your nervous system, how you use these practices to engage in the dynamics that are happening in your life, how you use the time ahead of you to make your mark, to find your life purpose, to live joyfully, all of that. So thank you for being part of a bigger movement. Thank you for building the community with me. Thank you for practicing on a daily basis. There's a few tips I want to share with you as you continue your daily journey, and that is a 40-day practice will serve you. It will, first of all, disrupt all those patterns in your life where you said, it's too boring, it's too hard, I don't have good examples of how to stay consistent and be committed to myself. This is how you do it. Yeah, that's it, that's all. 40-day practices, and it may take you a few tries to get there, but that's okay. You can do it. And along the way, you're going to learn a lot about yourself, because how you are on the mat is how you are off the mat. And you can make all of your adjustments right here when you're practicing with me in a safe container, trauma-informed, for your nervous system, for your greater purpose here. And then take all those lessons and apply them in your family life, in your work life, in your life, and then notice what unfolds. And as you continue to practice, I want to offer you to step in a little bit closer. If you are needing community, if you are looking to expand your networks, your horizons, your frame of reference, and all of us do need that, then step into Harmony Within. This is my group mentoring program. It's a curated playlist based on decades of experience that I've had working with people who are coming through trauma and recovering beautifully, and the topics that are key for you. That's number one. It's called Harmony Within. If you want to step in a little closer, you and me, getting into some intimate nitty-gritty, then consider Soul Compass Coaching. Or maybe, just maybe, you love this practice as much as I do, and you want to meet a community of people who are just as thrilled about Kundalini Yoga. And boy, do I have an offer for you. That's 12 months of Kundalini Yoga training. You have so many access points to people who are invigorating their practice, who are thinking differently, beyond the box, challenging social norms, challenging the conditions that we grew up in order to have a life that's worth living, and potentially pass that on to others. So that's the nitty-gritty of it all. And I'm so delighted that you're here. It takes all of us, one at a time, to start waking up. And in our awakening, lifts the consciousness of this world. And I'm not afraid to say that. And I'm so glad you're here. Lots of love. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. 20 years, baby. That's how we roll.